Hey everybody, it's Maquillage Lola and I am back with another video. It is here, y'all. May's Boxycharm, and let me tell y'all, I do not open these boxes before recording, so I don't know what's in there, and I make sure I don't look at Boxycharm's Instagram around that time so that I don't know what's going on, because I want to be surprised and I want to show my true emotion when I see what I got on video for y'all. Okay, so when y'all see what's in the box, it's the same time that I get to see what's in the box. Okay, like that's when I find out. Okay, so let's get to it. Boxycharm has a little thing that they do every month. This month's theme is Boxy Bash. It says Boxy Bash. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know. But it says Boxy Bash, okay? And they give you this. And they give you Boxycharm. They also give you like coupons and, you know, for a certain amount of money off, you know, stuff like that. So let's see what we have this month. Okay. This is the ink gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar. Okay, and look at the bottle though. It really looks like an ink bottle, like back in the day when they used to dip the feather in there, and you know, to write on paper. It really looks like an ink bottle. Okay, so this is gel ink. It's the color black. I wonder how good it is, if it stays on, smudge proof and all that stuff. I'm gonna have to test that out in a couple of looks coming up, because I love gel liner, but I hate if it smudges or whatever. Like, that bothers the heck out of me. I can't stand that. So okay, the first thing we have is the ink gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar, and that eyeliner cost $24. That's, again, y'all, I be saying that Boxycharm is how much? $21 a month for 5 full-size products. I'm telling you, better get on it. Okay, so next is a matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. Ooh, matte lip gloss by Beauty Creations. Looks like it's the rosy color. The color of it is probably the color of the box. So yeah, that's what I thought. That's a nice rosy color too. Could do a lot with that. Y'all know that I use everything for anything, and when I say that, I mean, like, I might have a blush and I use that as eyeshadow, or I might have an eyeshadow that I use as highlighter. Like, I don't use like oh, this is only highlighter and this is only blush. Like, I use the stuff, I put it in where it can fit in. Okay, so, and I have been known to use a matte liquid lipstick as my eyeshadow. So this looks like it'll be a nice eyeshadow color. Like, I'll use it. I'll do it. I use it wherever it can fit in, I'm telling you. So that cost $10. Okay, and that is by Beauty Creations. The next thing is by Asthetica. It is a three-piece brush kit for your eyes. You got your angled eyeliner brush. You got your angled brow brush. I'm sorry. You got your liner brush, and you have your spoolie for your brows. Okay. Now we all know how much y'all know how much brows. Y'all know how much brushes usually cost. Okay, so but you get this, you get a 3-pack of the brushes. I'm gonna take them out so y'all can see them. Okay, so yeah, you got your brow brush, your liner brush, and the spoolie for your brows. Okay, and that's great because you could never have too many brushes. you know, if you a makeup head like me, you can never have too many brushes. I'm telling you, never. Okay, so and that costs $45. That costs $45. See, we're gonna talk about that later. We're gonna talk about that at the end. Let's continue on. Continue on what we're doing. Okay. Next is another brush by Asthetica. It is the P12 face. I know how to talk, y'all. Y'all know I be having problems. I don't know why. Sometimes certain words just come out stupid. I know how to talk. All right. This is the P12 face brush by Asthetica, or whatever. Okay, so let me see, what is this? Looks like it might be like a I don't think this is a powder brush. This might be like a brush you might use for contouring or something. I don't know. It's soft. It's soft as ever. I don't know. Well, we'll have to use that and see how that works out. It's soft. It's very soft. It feels like pony hair or something. It's tapered. Yeah. Alright, so we end up having 4 brushes from Asthetica. However you say that word. Okay. It's another word that yet I do not know how to say. So if y'all know how to say it or correct me, leave a comment down below telling me the pronunciation, okay? Alright, the next product is, I didn't tell y'all how much that costs. Okay. The P12 face brush is $27. Okay. $27. So next we're going to we got CoverFX blurring primer. Okay, this is, y'all know what primer is. You put it on before your makeup and everything. But this is a blurring primer, so it must erase the appearance of your pores and all that stuff. Make your face look smooth and airbrushed and perfect, like flawless. We got to look flawless when we put it and have a flawless canvas to put our makeup on. Can't have our makeup on looking kind of cracked or nothing. Got to look flawless. Okay, so that is this primer is $38. Wait a minute. We got that was 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 5 products. We got an extra product in here. Oh my gosh, y'all go ahead. Boxycharm is the bomb. I don't know why we got an extra product in here, but I guess this month we got 6 products. Okay. Maybe it's their birthday. Maybe that's why they have the Boxy Bash. And it's their birthday or something. So maybe that's why they're giving us, an extra product. So let's see what this is. Wow, I'm just like, oh my gosh. Okay, it is a palette by Pure. Let me see. I can't even get it open fast enough. Like, I really want to see what this is. Okay. It's a palette by Pure. Dang, they got this stuff on tight too. Okay, it says sculptor palette. So it's probably yeah, that's the it's a contour palette. And look at those highlight things. You see those? That looks good. There's pretty colors. Pretty colors. I could use these on clients. Again, I probably will not be able to use this contour palette on myself because I'm a little chocolate, okay? But I could definitely use this on clients, okay? Oh, we got extra product this month. Thank you, Boxycharm. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And if it is your birthday this month, happy birthday. So let's get into the part that I mention every video, and that is, how can y'all not be a part of Boxycharm? I don't understand it. $21 for 5 full-size products, okay? And as you can see, most of those products cost over $21 alone, okay? One of those products probably costs more than the whole box. Like, you can't beat that. You really can't. And I'm gonna repeat myself, this is the only subscription box that I do, the only one that I love, because instead of getting samples of something, they give you the full size product. Okay, you get a full size product, and sometimes you get a deluxe size product. Okay, and as you can see, sometimes you might get a whole extra product in here, so sometimes you might get 6, you know. But I mean, it's just something that you just can't beat, and that's why I go hard for my Boxycharm. I represent all the time because Boxycharm is just the bomb. You know, I just love what they do. You know, they make it very affordable for people to experience and use and get to, use different makeup brands. You know, maybe affordable makeup brands and the high-end makeup brands. They make it so that you can afford to test certain things, no matter if they're high-end or not. Okay, so I just love what Boxycharm does. I love what they do. I love them, I love them, I love them. I love my Boxycharm. Y'all know, anybody that knows me knows I go hard for Boxycharm. Every month I be sitting there waiting. Okay, I get that little email that says your Boxycharm has just been delivered. Whoo! And that made my day right there. Okay, my day is always made when I get that email. All right, or when I'm coming home and I see that little box right there in front of my door. Yes, sir. That is going to be a good day. Okay. If you like this video or you like what I've had to say, give it a thumbs up. Okay. If you have any comments about Boxycharm, the products that are in there, or any comments or questions for me, leave them down below because I will respond to them. I respond to all my comments. Okay. No negativity, y'all. Okay. We all positive over here. Okay. None of that negative stuff. Okay. And of course, subscribe, so you could be a part of the maquillage family. I know I'm a little crazy, I'm a little eccentric, but you'll get used to it and you'll learn and love it, I promise. Alright, so with that being said, I'm Maquillage with Lola, and I'm out, y'all. Peace. Bye.